It's like the halfway point. Instead of like a bit where you get down, there's actually like a treetop cafe. You know? Like a real flat.
Yeah, stay attached. Oh.
You've got to hit around the wall.
Yeah. You've got a zip line off the cafe, yeah, if you need the loo. Yeah.
Oh no, you just have to go out the room, the window.
That's probably what's going to be happening. So don't stand directly underneath, just in case I need to go. Yeah.
I just realised there's a little more thought than just putting a coffee stand in a box. So,
you have to bring up the hot kettle.
If you feel any warm rain while we're going round, it's not rain. All right. I just didn't make it. Oh dear, they're already making mistakes. Yeah. Oh, cool.
Bring it down, boy.
Oh, I keep getting caught on the ladder.
James, you go first or am I going first? Do you want me to go first?
Yeah.
You go first and first?
No, I'll just attach. Let me attach first. Don't worry. Well, you can go, that's not a problem.
Don't come up yet. There's too many of us up here.
No, it's nice, we're 6. You can have 6 on there.
Okay. I'll go first.
Yeah, no worries. That's got to attach.
You're doing so good, Nelly. Keep going. Get it.
There you go. Dun, dun, dun. Now you can either hold on to that, or you can try holding on to those and just walking it. I just farted.
Lovely.
I'm recording you. Yeah, I know. I wouldn't have worn that, really.
Huh?
I wouldn't have worn the hat.
Can I get back to you?
Doing great, Ben. Keep going.
Hello. You have to get off to the right if you're able to. You okay? Blue one first, or red one?
You're doing really good. Seriously.
Who are you talking to? Oh, well done.
You've got up here.
You're up.
That's half the battle. That's okay. I'm happy
Don't
with
worry.
it.
So you could just hold on to it and do a zip wire. Yeah, I am as well. Look, don't worry. I'm holding on to this. I always hold on to the.
How the fuck did you do that so quickly? Because he's so excited. Oh, why is it beeping at me? Fantastic. Can you let me know when you're recording? Because I keep swearing and being very rude.
You can do that. Why? Oh, sorry. Why? This is to show to kids.
Sorry, I did quite a lot.
See, last time wearing gloves was great, but actually I keep getting caught in
Oh
the.
no! Maybe we need to pull them down a bit more.
Is he off? Yeah, he's off. If you want to go the other way, you've got
Yeah,
to
but you jumped off a bridge, you know, that was 20 times bigger than this.
Yeah.
Right,
So,
Are you all going this way?
yeah, so
Right, well, I'll go that way.
swing and a half.
Yeah, mate. I didn't like doing them. I skipped it in the end, but you can't now because you've gone this way. So we're both going to have to do it. I'm going to have to do it because you're doing it. Yeah, I know. Sweaty palms. Get ready for it. Just remember, you just hit it as hard as you can, and then it will just bounce, and then grab it the second time. It's not. But when you're attached, you're not going to go anywhere. You're just going to end up swinging. So that's the only scary bit. Is just making the jump. You just have to do it. It's all good. Halfway already. I'll count them down for you. 8, 7, 6 more to go. That's it.
It's getting more wobbly.
It's okay.
Keep going, you're almost at the end.
Oh, I just moved the fucking plastic thing. Sorry. Is that you playing around?
No.
4, 3 to go. 3, 2, last one, 1. Yeah?
Oh, fuck that.
Red one. We won't tell you about the swing then.
What?
The swing looks worse than when we got here, but it's
you
fine.
serious?
Yeah, we fine. No, wait, hold on. Stop. That's going to fling off at the same time. So I'm just saying, you can, but don't worry about holding this. You're attached now. You're not going to go anywhere.
Tom, I'm not even unattached.
Top. Oh, yeah, that was a bit excited, didn't he? You're a bit excited. She's not off yet. You know how to do. No, now she's off.
No.
No, he's going on now. You've got to go. You've got to go because he can't come unless you go. Go on, Ben.
Come in.
Go. Right, you can come now. Sorry. But yeah, Ben. But we needed Ben to swing because we had 3 people here already. So we were like,
Sorry.
Because it was really hard for me to unattach while you were fucking wobbling it round and
no,
round.
it does make the cable move quite a lot. It's all good.
There's no room for you.
I'll when I swing, you can come.
Because there's 3 of us here already.
You want to wait on the crossing if you want.
Oh, you can. Okay, you can wait halfway. We're trying to do the rules right. They're changing.
That was horrible.
Yeah, I managed to.
You done, Ben?
Yes, Ben.
Well done.
Are
He's
you
on.
okay?
I'm just hoping we don't get the rain. Right. Here it comes.
Oh, they are.
Oh, bloody hell.
Jesus.
I'm glad there's wood in the way. Bloody hell. Come on. Right. This is the most not fun bit.
Oh,
I don't think I can cope with this for 3 hours.
3 hours? No, I won't take that one.
I see.
I just don't like it because it pulls you once you're attached. There we go. Right.
It's all good.
Here we go then. Yeah, no, don't grab that. Always have all 3 together. So there you go, all 3 together. And then you just fucking swing, and I don't like this either. So here we go.
That bit just there feels like it's taken ages.
Yeah, I know. Come on.
If it's any consolation, I peed myself a bit.
You know, it makes me feel better. I will probably do the same.
Oh, I can't get the fucking thing off.
Come on.
That's right. Oh, swinging that back's pretty
Literally,
dodge.
when you get to the net, you get to the net. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
No, it's still quite worrying.
Look at all this stuff. That's so cool.
You'll be fine, we're on the other end.
It smells like Christmas. Mmm.
Hmm?
Smells like Christmas. Choose that.
Smells like Christmas. Gotta look good, look. The other fucking practice people are catching us up now.
I really want to chew some gum right now, but that's choking hazard.
Is it? Oh, you're not allowed to?
No.
Ah, give me a sec. I need a fucking drink. I'm like dehydrated. I just hope we don't piss down us while we're doing this.
It looks like it's burning.
Tell the truth, they're making us do the hardest ones first. These ones without any side bits are the hardest ones. Can you go over there? They'll leave you. Natalie, when you jump, it's not scary. It's just making yourself jump. Because you... Yeah, so when you're attached, Katie can push you. But once you're on it, you're like, why the hell was I scared? Cool, we're going to have to go, so I think so Natalie can go on. I do bouldering and climbing, but I find this scarier.
Ah, bouldering's great. This is just my cup of tea.
No, I love this, but I do bouldering and rock climbing, but I find this harder, and I don't know why. I think it's the jumping and swinging, and because rock climbing is just up and down.
You ready?
See, that one's an easy one. See, look. Don't worry. Yeah! Really? Oh, I won't like. I'm not going to like that. Oh yeah, but you've got side bits to hold on to. Oh no, we are going to have thunder. It's the best time to do it then. GoApe during a thunderstorm, guys. GoApe during a thunderstorm. Brilliant, I like it. Yeah man, GoApe during a thunderstorm, hardcore. Well, I've never done it where it's rained. I'd love to know what it's like when it rains, do you know what I mean? Yeah. My mate used to like make us try and run across these. Oh, this is actually really annoying trying to get through the green thing. So you can attach. I can feel it.
The worst part, crouching.
Yeah, that's what yeah, getting underneath, yeah, that's the same with me.
Get up on the line, you bastard.
Well, it'll be funny, it'll be something to tell people when you go my first time GoApe and it was a thunderstorm. I can't bother to keep attaching this thing because I keep using it every 5 seconds.
My fear isn't kicking in yet.
Sorry?
So my fear isn't kicking in yet.
You won't do, we're not that high, tell the truth, we're going up now though. Going up.
It's only for the
Oh, it's not that high. It's like, oh, here you go. Here's the rain. I can feel it. I can feel it. Whoa, my God, it's going to be windy. Oh, this ain't going to be fun. It's not fun when it's windy.
The wind's just picked up.
Yeah, it's not fun when it's windy, man. And we're going to... Well, I wondered if it thunderstormed, if they call it off. Because it'll be all wet and slippery and windy. No, they're waiting until it's actually doing it. You know, mate?
Yeah, it's just got really windy.
It's just stopped. Yeah, that's going to make it annoying for her if it gets really windy. Because I hated it when it got windy at the last one. Is that the zip line up there, Ben?
Yeah.
Natalie, there's only 2 more to do and then the zip line and then you're on the ground again for a bit, alright? I know. I just thought that might help you get to He's about to go towards the zip line, yeah. You can come across when I'm about to go, so...
There you go, there's a smile on your face.
It's because I told her the ground's coming up.
Yeah.
No, sorry, I'm going now. Just I hate crawling up, crouching underneath this bloody thing.
Yeah, we've got big nets to work.
Oh, more thunder. Oh. How the fuck do you get underneath? Was it? Ugh. I'm too tall to get under the green things. Whoa, Ben, I just got some wind. Fucking hell. Oh, I can feel the rain now. Is this going to start absolutely pissing it down? There's usually 4 or 5 courses split apart, so you're not up here for like an hour because you'll be knackered. So after that zip line, you'll be on the ground, and then you'll walk to the next one and put the code in. You know, like that's why she gave us the code, because there's always a starting point. So there's usually like, there was 5 at the last one, because it means if it pisses down with rain, I'll stop and wait. But you don't want everything to get really wet. Yeah, but the zip lines are well fun. Don't worry. And that's why I was like, do you want me to go down first on the zip line and film you all coming down? I just like, because it's up the top there, so we can just swap when we get up there.
Yeah, that's right.
And I'll film you all come down.
Okay, I'm over my fear. Piss off. Raining.
Oh, I must try. Oh, that might be an easy way. I need to crouch underneath them before attaching myself.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah, but at least you know there's nowhere you can go. Dum 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 dum. Monkey Man and Ben. Look at them two just chatting over there. It's just a chance for a little like chinwag. Look. All right, hoodies. What? Is it actually raining but the trees are just stopping us from getting wet?
Yeah. Pretty much, yeah.
So that when you go down the zip line you'll probably get like a little curtain of rain or something.
Yeah, pretty much.
They can't be yet, come on. Not yet.
All good.
That's a great word, that is. Great word. Oh my word, look at the rain.
Yeah, I'm in it.
Oh, are you? Oh, okay. Right, I'm coming up to you. Here you go, Mike. But you may have done more GoApes than me, Mike. But you ain't done one in a thunderstorm. Oh my god, yeah, I can see you mean. I'm getting soaked up here. Do you want me to go first? Are you all right?
I'll let you go first.
Yeah. And then I'll video will come down the zip line if it's not too well. Hopefully it's not too wet. It'll be fucking soaked down there. Right, done. I love the fucking zip lines. Where is the zip line? Oh, there. Right then, here we go. Oh, is that it? Who's on the zip line?
Someone's combing it.
Oh, they're combing it. I've got to wait for them then. Come on.
Very high up here.
I'm not. Come on. Why's she fucking raking? Clear the landing area. Fucking hell, is she deaf? What's she doing? I can't go because she's just fucking cleaning the landing area. Where's an instructor?
Just wait.
Yeah, but then they're supposed to only do it when, because otherwise everyone's going to have to stand here and now I'm holding everyone up. Oh my god, the fucking
The
thing.
tree's wobbling.
Yeah, I know.
No more.
Hello! Clear the landing area! Stop brooming it! Can't fucking go down. I'll just swing. Shall I just go down and make him fucking move?
Yeah, go for it.
Shall I just do it?
Too bloody hard,
Right. She just say I can go? Yeah. See you later, boys. She said, didn't she just say you can go? Yeah, right. Can I go? What the fuck is she doing? Right. See you later. I had to wait for the lady to move. Oh my word, it's fucking wet! Oh. So yeah, we were getting a bit caught up there, so I was like, can someone move off the landing area? Loads of people are waiting.
Yeah, oh, okay. I'm just holding everyone up at the top there.
I didn't know if you could hear me, I was trying to
I
shout.
couldn't hear anything, but if you jumped off, I would have moved.
Yeah, that's what I was worried about. If I didn't want to get, I knew you were an instructor, so if I jumped off and you would have been, I was in the landing area.
No, don't, well, I think everyone's a bit different generally. People quite
Oh.
often jump off. So
I've got video of everyone coming down now in the
yeah, no,
rain.
you're alright.
Yeah, oh, right, yeah.
Am I flashing?
Yeah, you're still
Oh, good.
good. You're still rolling.
Here he comes.
Still rolling. Oh, is this?
This will be Ben.
There we go. Is that Ben? I can't actually see. Hey, here he comes. Go on, Ben.
Start running, start running, start running. Oh, no. If you're going front, you're supposed to run. It's much better when you're going forwards to start running. It's fucking wet down here, though.
It's a bit.
Oh my
Hey,
word.
how's that feel?
We're gonna be
Yeah,
soaked.
it's quite a long one. I was walking along thinking, when is this going to fucking end? I kept going and
I
going.
know. I wonder if I can stand. I'll stand at the end.
Go! Yeah, you should be safe. If it gets any heavier,
Oh, is there? Ah, okay.
does it come?
I don't. Not yet. No. I don't know if he thinks because I'm standing at the bottom. Right, tits.
That was awesome.
Yeah, that might,
good, isn't it?
yeah, man. I just can't believe how wet it's going to get because it won't be fun in the wet.
So it comes.
It's not making a noise, so I guess not. You'd hear him when he was. I heard you when you got on.
So you can get some detail.
Oh, there you go.
That's how far away it is. That's crazy. I don't think this is even the longest one either. The other one is the longest one. Yeah.
I suppose you can video Natalie if you like. Stand at the end. It's quite good.
Go on, Michael. I bring a brolly or something. I had to ramp on the train, so in the end I was like, I'll do without, I'm sure it'll be fine.
Oh my word, it's soaking. I might have to take this off as well because the GoPros might. Oh, I'm gonna have
You're not waterproof?
to. Not with the back door off.
Ah, no, I see.
So I don't know whether I'm gonna have to stop. Ah. 2, 4, 5. Oh man! Really? I'm gonna have to take. This is soaked. I'm gonna have to take his GoPro off.